Turn around.
Okay.
Alright. I'm going to pat you on the back. Okay? And you can cough it out. Go. There! Came right out of your mouth. Man, it just coughed right out.
In my feet.
That don't go in your feet. You don't have any holes in your feet. Here, let me put it in your ear.
Got holes.
There.
Where go?
Now it's in your ear. Now you turn around and cough. I'll pat you on the back. Alright, 1, 2, 3, cough. Man, you got it right. Coughed it right out.
How did you do that?
In your mouth.
Did it in my mouth?
Yes.
Okay.
Do it in your ear. Do it in your ear.
You want it to come out of my ear?
Yeah.
Okay. Ah, there it is.
Do it in my ear.
Do it in your ear? You gotta cough it out though.
Yes. Do it in my ear.
Okay. Go on. Let me
Turn around, cough.
Alright. Cough it out. I'm gonna pat you on the back.
It went out in my mouth.
Yeah, you coughed it out of your mouth.
Yeah. There's baby in her mouth.
Alright, I'll put it in her ear. There you go. Ooh. Alright, you want to cough it out of your mouth, Vivian? Here, stand up. Cough. Stand up. Go. Cough. Came right out of your mouth.
Do it in my hands.
Do it in your hands?
Yes.
Alright.
There we go.
Where'd it go?
It's in my hand.
Where?
Get it out.
You want me to, you gotta cough it out. Alright.
Do it in my back.
Put it on your back.
Yes.
Here, come here.
Okay.
There you go. Now it's in your back.
Where you go?
It's in your back.
And cough it out.
You gotta cough it out? Alright. Cough hard. There you go.
Now it's in my ear. Come and get it in my head.
Put it in your head.
There you
There.
go.
There. Now it's in your head.
Cough
You
it
gonna cough it
out.
out? Cough. Go, cough hard.
You can do this.
You in your ear.
Put it in my ear?
Yes.
Alright.
Let's see it.
There.
Let's see
Is it gone?
it. No, cough it out.
You want me to cough it out?
Yes. Do it in my cheek.
Put it in your cheek?
Yes.
Okay. Open wide. Okay, close your mouth. Alright. Now it's in your cheek.
There you go.
It's in your cheek.
Just cough it out.
You gotta cough it out? Alright.
Do Grandma.
Grandmom, she's recording. She can't do it. She's got a camera.
I gotta take pictures of Daddy's tricks.
Do it in my tummy.
Do it in your
Do
tummy.
it in my tummy. My
Okay.
chest.
Put it right there. There it goes.
There you go.
It's in your belly.
Now, cough it out.
Alright. Got it. Cough hard. Cough. Oh.
Do it in my head.
Do it in your leg?
Yes. Let's sit down.
Okay.
Do it in my feet.
Put it on. I'll put it on the bottom of your foot. There. Hey, wait. We gotta put it in there. Oh, we gotta put it in. Oh, okay. There it is.
There you go.
It's in your foot.
Now.
We gotta put you. You gotta stand upside down for a minute.
Okay.
You gotta shake it out. Shake it out. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Okay.
There you go.
Okay, now you can cough it out. Ah, there we go.
It went in my ear.
It came out of your